American Trucks and Equipment, located at 406 North State Road 7, Hollywood, Florida 33021. You call or text Anthony 954-706-0081. We're going to go ahead and do a boom demonstration and startup on our 2007 Ford F450. Does have a V8 turbo diesel motor, automatic transmission. Chassis is equipped with an Altec AT200. It is a full enclosed splicing vehicle. Ice cold AC. The truck was fleet maintained, one owner, no accidents. Has 161,000 miles, ready to go to work. On this truck, we offer financing, shipping, and export. You can give me a call for more details, 954-706-0081. We are located 10 minutes south of Fort Lauderdale International Airport. You're able to fly in and drive her home out of state as well. We can issue you a temporary tag for 30 days. So you can take her home and get the paperwork done and transferred out in your state. We offer financing on this truck with startups, over 2 years in business as well. Our interest rate is as low as 5.25%. It is 100% business loan. It does not report on the personal credit of the owner. All right, let's go ahead and start her up. Also is 100% tax write-off, $1 buyout lease. Again, this is our 2007 Ford F450 Altec AT200 splicing truck. You got strobe, rear strobe, inverter control, master PTO, and 3 spares. This truck was owned by Time Warner. All the manuals are located back there. Let's go ahead and start her up. Is a PTO driven. You have the controller here for the lower and the overwrite. I'll go ahead and show you the inside of the truck. It is equipped with 10 lights inside the cab. 2 shelvings on the side of each, and you got 1 shelving underneath the unit. You can make that into the tabletop. You also have the inverter on the side and the PTO reservoir and the filter to switch out for the pump, or excuse me, for the boom. The serial plate there is of the Altec. Get it for you. serial number is 0207CS1849. You have the light control and the strobe control or spare on the side, so you can hook up another light. Again, this truck is located at 406 North State Road 7, Hollywood, Florida 33021. At American Trucks and Equipment, we specialize in aerial units as well as derrick diggers, cranes, and dump trucks. If we don't have it in stock, give us a call. We have access to all the fleets in the US. User operator there. Error. Again, we offer financing, shipping, and export. Vehicles located at American Trucks and Equipment, 406 North State Road 7, Hollywood, Florida 33021. My number is 954-706-0081. Thank you.